Object-oriented programming is a ubiquitous programming paradigm that is at the heart of software development. There are hundreds of object-oriented languages and frameworks that use object-oriented designs extensively. In this course, you'll learn the fundamentals of designing and programming object-oriented software. We'll use C# as the language for examples, although many languages implement object-oriented features in a similar fashion. The main purpose of this course is to teach the basics of object-oriented design and programming concepts, more so than the syntax. For today's agenda, we're going to take an overview of object-oriented design and programming. We'll then move on to classes and objects, properties, methods, object-oriented programming. Let's create the bank account class as well as multiple fields for it. We'll start by outlining the class definition and some code blocks, and then moving to the fields. We'll mark them as public so that all code can access it. We'll learn about access modifiers later. First, the account holder name, and then on to several other properties like the account number, the balance, the interest rate, and the account type. Now that we have those, we can go to the program.cs file and start calling the bank account members by instantiating the bank account class and using the properties and fields. I'm going to paste some code in here, and you can see that this code makes a few calls to console.writeLine. In this demo, we will add methods to our bank account class. We're going to add two methods to the bank account class, one named deposit and one named withdraw. Both methods will accept two arguments, a decimal amount and a date time, and both methods will return nothing or void. Inside the deposit method, we will increment the account balance, and in the withdraw method, we will decrement the balance. Since we now have these methods, we can further enforce encapsulation by converting the balance field to a property and using it in the withdraw and deposit methods. We can take the balance field and then further enforce encapsulation by converting it to a property. A balance property requires a private variable for its use internally, and we'll call it _balance.